Oh, right. All the power. Looks like it'll stay straight. All right. What's up, y'all? I'm gonna show you how I'm mounting. Let me unplug that part. My Zumo XT to my T7. Get rid of that because that's what's temporary. Just to use the GPS. So I got my power mount, rally raid, clamp. So as far as wiring, all I did was take off the windshield. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 2 Allen heads right there. That one. And that one in front of my finger. Take those out. Pick up on the dash or on the screen, play it over on something, and you run the wire down along with the factory LCD display. Run it down in here. Take out these 3. That one, and that one. It's a Torx, and these are 1/4 turn like pins. You just loosen them a little bit and they'll pop out. There's 3 of those. Take off your side panel, and I'll show you what's behind that and how to wire it into the factory factory aux power. All right, so I use the Torx screwdriver. So this side panel will actually come out with the crash bars still on, but it's kind of a pain. So you just 1/4 turn these, pull them out a little bit, and then you can wiggle them all the way out. I take all my screws and I keep them in my toolbox so they don't get lost. Slide it back a little bit. And it's going to be very hard for me to do this with one hand. I can already tell you that. And make sure I'm clearing everything. There we go. So you got to pull it backwards out of this little tab. Now, I got to turn my handlebars that way. And you can slide it backwards to unplug. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Okay, you gotta unplug that. That's your turn signal. Let me sit you down for a second. Alright. Now, I found you turn this like that. Don't mind the scratch. It's not from that. That's the scratch that happened in shipping of the bike. I'm waiting on the new plastic still, but that's not from anything I did. This, unfortunately, I got the bike that way. So, I already have this unwrapped. It's wrapped up in tape. This is your auxiliary power plug, but I just ran all my wires down and around, and then right now they're just zip tied right here. This is a zip tie holding just the power wire. I'm gonna fix all that, make it neat whenever I wire that in right here in a second. But all right, so I got a pack of clips from Amazon. They fit right in there. And then I got little pins. So I'm not gonna be able to video me doing this. So I'm gonna strip the wire, crimp it, install it on this, and I'll be back. There we go. Maybe that'll work. Gotta get this compressed a little better. There we go. Heard it click. Now, it's as simple as that should do it. Now, when I turn this on, it should send power. I did blow a fuse the other day. Somebody was running an air pump, so. Oh, there it goes. Looky there. Now when I turn it off, should take a second. Yep, power has been lost. It's gonna turn off. Waiting. Checking for updates and all that, so it takes a second. Well, it's definitely lost power, so when I turn it back on, ready, set, click, it's on. Charging. Awesome. Now, since it's on motorcycle mode, it should fuel range. Should be able to go in the menu and fix all that now and change my fuel mileage and make it where it will tell me when I'm low on fuel, or mileage wise. Alright, GoPro battery died. So, got it wired up. Wires are pretty neat. I'm no electrician, but they're pretty neat. So now you just go in reverse, slide this down in there, rotate it. Oh, I about forgot to plug in the turn signal. That would have made me mad. Yep, it's working. Rotate. Make sure your clips are gonna line up. Bada bang, bada boom. Yeah, you just put your 4 screws in. You can get to this one. It's just a little hard. You gotta kind of get just a little bit of an angle, but that definitely is a selling point to these crash bars. And these ones mount. I like the way they mount. So there's no engine mounting points. You got here. That's really the only there and up here on this bracket, but it goes under the radiator and around the nose. That's what I like about them. This back part is threaded. So since it's aluminum, I went ahead and got longer screws, threaded them all the way through till they snugged up, and then I put jam nuts on it so it don't rip the threads out. But yeah, just reverse your process, put back in your 3 locking pin screws and your 3 panel screws, and you're done. If y'all like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.